Hey everyone, welcome to JoystickLab. In the last part, we saw how to place a cube on the plane. In this part of the tutorial, we're going to extend that and we're going to download a 3D model of a cute cat, and then we're going to place it to our augmented reality scene. We're going to use the XR interaction toolkit like we did before, and we can basically manipulate that object, rotate it, scale it, and place it wherever we want. If you like to see more videos like this, hit the like button and share and subscribe. Now to make things a little bit more interesting, let's go to Sketchfab and you can find this very cute cat model and you can download it for free. So Sketchfab is a website where you can find tons of free and paid 3D assets for your next game or AR/VR projects, right? Let's close this window and then we can go back to our downloaded folder. Now the files are downloaded as zip, so you need to basically unzip this file and you're going to get these two folders. One is containing the texture and another one is containing the model. We need both of them, so drag and drop the whole folder into your Unity project and expand it. Go to the model and change the scaling factor to 0.02 and then press the apply button. Then we need to drag and drop this model to create an object, and again drag and drop the game object into the asset folder to create an original prefab. And then finally, we don't need the game object, so we can simply delete that. Now we can use this cat. So basically, before we were using the cube in the AR placement interactable. So click on the AR placement interactable game object and drag and drop the cat prefab that you just created. And it's also a good idea to rename this to something more meaningful. So I'm going to name it cute cat.